next video, we will walk through how to add custom activities, excursions, and tour information into your proposals and itineraries. The first thing we're going to want to do is select the new event button. From here, you're going to get a drop-down list of different categories of events you can add into this day or section. For today, we're going to select activity. At the top, you'll notice we have categories and subcategories. You can change these at any time, and today we'll select activity and activity. If you're ever doing a food and drink excursion or type of tour, by all means select food and drink. Let's go ahead though, let's put the title in. And in our notes section, this is where we can add in a description about this tour or excursion. You can choose to type this up yourself, or you can copy and paste the description from your supplier and put it in here. You can format this in any way that you would like, and if you want to include any clickable links that your clients can have, use that insert link button and make sure to put that URL and what you want the text to say before selecting insert. You can also include a bulleted list or a numbered list, as well as a table if you choose. If we scroll down just a little bit further and select add time or price, you'll notice that we have additional fields that pop up that we can input information into. Let's go ahead, put the time that this starts, as well as how long this is going to last. You can choose what time zone, as well as the price if you decide. In the multimedia area, this is where we can add up to 5 photos or videos. Let's go ahead and click into here. Your first option is going to be using the database. This is where you can search a general keyword and will pull in royalty-free images for you to use. If you have your own photos though that you want to upload from your device, just select the upload method. If you have a website from the supplier that you want to use and see if we can get any photos from, all you have to do is copy their URL and paste it into the search bar. Select Get Images and we can see if we can grab any photos from that website. Otherwise, if you find it easier, you can always use the copy and paste method as well. Let's go ahead though, let's select 5 photos. And last of all, if you want to add a video, maybe there's a promotional video on YouTube or Vimeo, copy that video link and paste it in here and select Add Video. I'm going to go ahead, save my changes, and as you can see, here are all 5 photos. If you ever want to rearrange these though, just drag and drop them into the order you would like. Last of all, we have the attachments area. This is where you can attach confirmation emails or you can attach PDF tickets if you would want to here. You can also use the search bar area to pull over location information. Once you're done, make sure to save this to your library. This way you can use it for future trips without having to recreate all of this from scratch. I'm going to go ahead, select Done Editing, and this is what it's looking like. And that's it. That is how you can create custom activities, excursions, and tours in your trips. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started videos.